while passenger eVTOLs seem to idle a bit, awaiting new technologies to keep developing. Cargo drones are already in business. One of the coolest new delivery eVTOLs is up for flight tests. The name is pretty straightforward but weird. It's called Mighty Fly. When I heard the name first, I couldn't help but think about a huge fly that carries Amazon parcels. But jokes aside, the drone is perfect. It can carry up to 500 pounds, and the maximum delivery distance is 600 miles, which is almost 1,000 kilometers. The eVTOL can speed up to 150 miles per hour or 240 kilometers per hour. The company doesn't reveal much about the tech behind the drone. They only say it has a hybrid electric powertrain with 9 electric motors. There are 8 horizontal propellers and 1 pushing propeller located in the rear part of the aircraft. The internet has no idea what exactly the word hybrid means in this context. However, the company claims the aircraft is 100% carbon neutral, so we may conclude that it has no internal combustion engine or something like that on board. How it can extend its range to 600 miles remains a big riddle for me, and also for the competitors of the Mighty Fly company. Documents claim that the aircraft can fly for 4 consecutive hours without charging its batteries. It has wings to support the altitude, so probably when it's up in the air, the horizontal propellers stop draining the batteries and only the pusher propeller keeps working. The body is relatively lightweight. It's made of carbon fiber. What makes the aircraft pretty heavy is the battery pack, in my opinion. But the claimed payload of 500 pounds seems to be more than revolutionary. The Mighty Fly company has already obtained the FAA approval for flight tests. This is the direct road to getting the FAA certificate. And now the company is searching for partners to put the aircraft in business once all the paperwork is done. Given the delivery price is going to be moderate, there are a lot of businesses that will certainly consider this technology for their purposes. But let's first see if the aircraft can prove the claimed parameters and obtain the certification.